Hello guys, welcome back to Nafa MJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Sleeping Beauty. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, a king and queen were blessed with a beautiful baby daughter. They named her Aurora and invited all the fairies in the kingdom to her christening. However, they forgot to invite one fairy named Maleficent, who appeared at the christening uninvited and cursed the baby princess to die on her 16th birthday by pricking her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel. One of the good fairies, however, had not yet given her gift to Aurora, and instead of letting her die, she changed the curse to a 100-year sleep. On Aurora's 16th birthday, she discovered a hidden room in the castle where she found the spindle and pricked her finger, falling into a deep sleep. The good fairy's spell took effect, putting the entire kingdom to sleep for 100 years. Until a prince from a nearby kingdom came and found the sleeping princess. He kissed her, and she woke up, and the spell was broken. They got married and lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.